Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Classy Traders. So today we are going to analyze Nifty 50 and the major stocks, or we can say its constituents, which has a good weightage in the Nifty. For your kind information, I have removed the banking stocks, as I will be covering the banking stocks in the Nifty Bank or in my next video, which I will be making on Nifty Bank. So in this video we'll be remaining only with Nifty 50 and some of the stocks. So it is somewhere around 31 stocks in 32 stocks including Nifty 50, and I have removed the stocks which is not performing, like NTPC, Power Grid, which remains at the same value. So I have taken high weightage stocks only. As you can see, Adani Ports, Bajaj Auto. So first let's get into the video with the Nifty 50 chart. So as you can see that this is a Nifty 50 chart, and there is some war between Ukraine and Russia. So after that the Nifty has taken a fall. I mean, the news are still coming. The news is still coming and doesn't know what is actually happening there. But for now, Nifty is in the safe zone. There is no danger which I can see. And if I draw a line, Nifty has broken its previous support, which was somewhere around 16,500. This was the Nifty support, or you can say this was also the Nifty support, which was 16,800 levels. It has broken after that Ukraine and Russia war has started. Now the next support which comes for the Nifty is somewhere around 16,000 level. We can say 16,000 level. If it breaks this level, then this will be coming into the range of 15,500 and 16,000, which where Nifty was struggling to give a breakout in the month of June and August in the previous year, which was 2021. As you can see here, this was totally a consolidation for Nifty, and it has given a good breakout with a huge candle, and the rally was still 18,500 or 18,600 levels. And after that it has again taken into the consolidation range and tried to give a breakout of this, but as this became a resistance, and now the things are like, due to the war, the Nifty, actually the markets are like paused in that particular area. So once the something or outcome comes out of that particular one, then we can see a good rally in the Nifty 50. As the Nifty is also at support, so the major stocks which I have seen which participates in the Nifty 50's rally is also at the support zone. So nothing much danger as per my opinion into the Nifty. If it comes around, it can come around at 16,000 level. At this level, it has actually if you can see the last candle, which was on Friday. What was the date? Yeah, on 4th of March 2022, the Nifty 50 was able to I mean, the buyers were able to push the position. I mean, push the price from this level. As you can see this candle, or if I take you to the smaller time frame into the 15 minutes, you see Nifty 50 has opened up gap down, and the buyers tried to push from here, and the closing was again at the same level. So this is a type of we can say a doji candle getting created at the support level, which is a good sign. But even though this is a market, there might be the circumstances where some news comes out in the night, and in the next day it opens gap down or gap up. So let us wait for the Monday's rally, or let us keep in watch list for the next 1 to 2 weeks, or till the war cools down and the situation gets cool over here. So now getting back to the stock one after the other, we will start with Adani Ports. Adani Ports is at support zone, and I mean, this is the support for Adani Ports. This area fully is a support zone, and it comes here and goes back. So we can say it into the consolidation, or the people whoever wants to play for the small profit can definitely play in this. Whenever it comes near 650, you can take a position and you can book your profit somewhere around 800 levels. And if you want a big rally, then wait till it gives a breakout above 800, or else do not enter into this. Bajaj Auto back to its support level and showing some good reversal. See, this is a pin bar. This is a pin bar, or yeah, this is a pin bar, not a hammer. Hammer will have still a big body. So this is a pin bar, which it is actually showing a reversal at the support level. So if without breaking this low, if it starts showing some reversal with the green candle and a good volume, then you can make a position in this, and this can be a good profitable stock. Bajaj Finance back to its support. So let us wait till it shows some reversal. Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv both are at the support levels. So let us wait. If it shows a good reversal, then we can enter in this. Bharti Airtel is also at support level, as the index is also at support level. So as I said, the majority of the stocks are sustaining at that support levels. If some bad news comes out, then this majority of the stocks might break its support, and again they will be going into the consolidation, and then it will be taking a time to break that support, which becomes resistance, and then it will be a huge time. So let us wait till the situation cool down, and or let the stocks starts showing some reversal, because we have very good stocks as well where you can invest. So the stocks whichever are at the support zone and not showing some reversal, so please avoid that for the time being, not for the whole life. This is BPCL is at the major support, which comes around 320, 353, or we can say on a round figure of 300 levels. This is into the downtrend, so avoid buying this stock for now. Britannia, see, at the support zone after I don't know what has happened to the chart here, but it is into the support zone and shows a good, this is a hammer. This is a good hammer, and and on the Monday, if it trades above 3400 levels, then you can see a good move in this Britannia till 3800 levels. If it breaks the low of this hammer, then this might come down. I don't know what has happened to the chart. Let me check into the other thing. But for now, for the time being, if anybody wants to make a position in this Britannia, can definitely make the stop loss of this hammer slow, not below that. This is a very less stop loss for this stock, and you can take the rally up to the 3800. You can take profit up to the 3800. Cipla consolidation zone. This is actually into the rectangle pattern. If you can see, this comes about, this becomes resistance around 980 or 1000 is the resistance, and 870 and 850 level we can take it as is a support zone for it. So whenever this stocks comes around 900 or 850 levels, you can buy and book the profit around 975 and before 1000 only, because this stock is unable to break the 1000 level. This is a very slow moving stock, to be frank. So as you will be able to handle the volatility, then you can enter into this, or else we have other stocks which is also into the same patterns and gives a good move in a short time. Divi's Lab in a downtrend after a rally, so let us wait to show some reversal and break its previous high. Dr. Reddy doesn't know what is happening into the stock. This has made a triple top at 5500, and after this now the stock support comes around, let me make the chart bigger so that you can easily understand. So the Dr. Reddy support comes around, it is already at support zone only, but even though the next support comes is around 3646, which it has already touched and showed some reversal. This is a bullish engulfing. If the stocks able to manage the Mondays or the next upcoming week session, closing above 4000 can give a good rally, but let us wait and watch. Dr. Reddy was one. Eicher Motors, as I have made a nifty auto video, in that I have clearly shown that this stock is in totally consolidation range, and once it gives a breakout above this level 2750 level, this can be a good stock. If I take you to the bigger time frame, into the weekly time frame, you can see there is one trend line which is coming for this stock from at this stock. So, and this is at the support zone, and this is the support zone on a weekly. So this can be a triangular pattern, or you can say. Now if it gets a reversal from here, then definitely this will go till 2750 and it will be dancing, and again, and this will be the time where the stocks consolidate, and when it gives a breakout, that will be a good time to purchase the stocks, where in a shorter time you can get a bigger profits, I can say. Eicher Motors, so keep this in stock in watch list. Eicher Motors and Grasim at its support level in a weekly time frame. You can see this. We'll take it to the daily time frame. Support level, and showing the reversal exactly from the support level. So once it gives a green candle here, or green signal to enter, you can definitely enter. Grasim is also a good stock. HCL Technologies consolidation zone. Maximum all the IT stocks after shown a good rally in the previous year. Now they are into the consolidation zone and at the support level. So for the smaller profits, you can have it into the watch list. HDFC in the downtrend. So let us wait till it comes back to its support, which is around 2100, which is around 2000 and 2100 levels, and show some reversal. Then we can enter into this. But as for now, I don't see any reversal. The candles are bigger every day. HDFC Life, same as the HDFC. This stock is in a totally into the downtrend after touching the high of 775. This stock totally into the downtrend. So let us avoid this till it shows some reversal or shows some good movement in this. Till then, avoid this stock. Infosys IT stock into the consolidation zone. Very narrow consolidation. This stock is in a very narrow consolidation zone, as you can see here. So whenever it comes around 1600, it gets bounced back. So let us wait for that. ITC, since this stock is in consolidation zone and at the same price range from 2012, if I take you to the monthly chart, you will be able to see that this stock is in same zone. I mean, since 2012 or since 2012 and 13, the stock has not given any good returns. I can say good returns. The last high which it has touched, as per the chart is in front of you, was 368, or we can approximately 370 value. After that, this stock has not shown. So this is not a stock where you can keep investing and thinking a good return. Apart from ITC, like we have the ITC, Power Grid, NTPC. These are not the stocks to keep for good returns. These are the stocks if you don't want returns, and you can keep like these are the savings bank account only. Whatever you put, you will get the same even after 3 years, 4 years. And everything is in front of you. Since 2012, the price is around 200 levels only, 150 and 200, 250 levels max. So avoid this type of stocks. We have much better stocks than this. This was a high weightage. That is the reason. ITC is a high weightage in Nifty 50. That is the reason I have added, but nothing to do with this stock. So if you ask my preference, I definitely avoid this. I don't even try intraday on this. Next is L&T. L&T support on the monthly chart comes around 1600 levels, and on a daily chart, I think, on the daily chart also this comes around 1700 levels, 1700 to 1600. If it breaks down, then definitely this stock will be coming till 1600 or 1600 levels. Then you can see some reversal and you can enter into this. Nestle India has also shown a reversal from its support. It has broken its support, but it was able to manage its support and sustain at its support level and and made a hammer here. So once it goes above hammer and sustain at above this hammer level with the stop loss of this low 17,000, you can take a position in this. But as per the situation, don't make position by taking a leverage. Only make the positions in CNCs, which will be better for you. Reliance Industries into the consolidation range. So let us wait for this as well. SBI Life consolidating, and the support comes around 1000 level. Shree Cements back to its support level. So let us wait for the reversal. Sun Pharma is a good stock. As you can see, this stock has given a good rally. I mean, every time it shows every time it makes a lower highs and a higher highs. So I think now it has shown a reversal. This has made a low. It is not breaking its previous low. So this has now made a reversal. Now if you want, you can make a position around 850 and somewhere and take the rally till 950. So this is a good stock. Even after so many incidents happening into the world, the stock is able to manage its uptrend. So this is a good stock you can keep in mind, and you can also make a position. Tata Consumable, avoid for now, but this is a good stock. So wait for the reversal in this. Tata Steel, I have made the video on the metal sectors. Tata Steel, when this was at support level here, now the stock has given a bounce. Now this is a resistance zone for this stock, 1300 levels. As you can see, 1300 levels was the support previously. It has broken down and came till 1060 levels, and now from here it is consolidating near its resistance. So if it consolidates for 2-3 days or approximately for a week and gives a breakout, then this stock will definitely reach its all-time high of 1500 levels, 1500 or 1540, 1550 levels, and this stock will sustain around 1550 level because this is the all-time high. So stock definitely respect its all-time high as a resistance. So let us wait, but don't make position here till it shows some reversal, because if it doesn't show reversal eagerly, if you want to make a position, then there are chances that stock might come down back to its support. So this will be the good, whenever the stock is at support level, that will be the good time to enter into the stock, not at the resistance level. JSW Steel in the consolidation range, you can see into the consolidation range. So wait, TCS consolidating at its support. TechM same as well. All the IT stocks stories are same. Maximum all the majority of the stocks, high weighted stocks are same, because at the support levels and showing, some of them are showing reversal and some of them are not. So whichever are showing reversal, in that you can enter. Today or tomorrow that will be coming up. TechM, sorry, this was the TechM. Ultratech Cement in support and showing some reversal, showing a reversal, actually good reversal after the volume, after the huge sell off, it has shown a good reversal. So once it breaks above the 6200 levels, we can say 6200 levels, you can enter into this. Ultratech Cement, UPL, same story, back to its support and its level. Now I haven't added, as at the starting I have said that I am not adding the banking stocks. Banking stocks will be added to the Nifty Bank. So this was the story of the Nifty 50 and Nifty 50. If there are any changes, I'll be definitely making a video and giving you the update on this. For this video, that's it guys. See you guys in the next video. Thank you all.